guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a challenge, and this is a makeup challenge which you've already seen a lot of big YouTubers do, like James Charles, Naked Tutorials, and so many more. It is the one dip makeup challenge. It is very self-explanatory. Basically, you are only allowed to dip your brush once into the palette or the product, or use only one pump of the product. So I'm very excited. Honestly, I'm not that nervous because I generally use very little product, but then once you're restricted to do something, it gets a little challenging. So I don't know how this is gonna go. If you want to see how I struggle with the one dip makeup challenge, then please keep watching. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm getting nervous. I shouldn't be nervous. It's fine. So the first step is gonna be primer. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Let me zoom in so you can see that I'm not cheating. I am not one of those who cheat, y'all. Let's take one pump. Come out! That is very little product. I'm a little nervous. What am I gonna do with this little product? But anyway, I am gonna apply it wherever I need the primer. This is so little. Oh my god, I need way more because my skin is so dry. We're off to a bad start. Most of my face is empty. Where is the primer? No! My forehead is literally empty. There's no primer on my forehead. It's fine. We still have a lot of steps. Now, for foundation, I am going in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Cream Foundation because I know that this will not do me wrong. One tiny pump can fill my whole face, so I'm good. I'm good with this. So we're gonna take one pump of this foundation. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Okay, that's less. I'm gonna take this because this came in the one pump. This is how much product I'm getting, guys. What is this? Okay, so I am applying it with my hands. And I'm actually gonna use my hands to blend it as well because sponges and brushes actually take most of the product away. So I don't want that to happen. This is a struggle. I mean, it's not bad. I knew this foundation has a lot of pigments, so now I'm gonna use a brush to blend. So next step is concealer, and I'm only allowed to use the wand once. So I'm opening it and I can only use what's on this applicator, nothing else. So we do one dot here, one dot here. I'm also gonna do a little bit here, a little bit here. Now, once again, I will use my finger to blend rather than a brush first, and then later go in with a brush or a sponge. I'm happy with this. Why is this so stressful? Why are all makeup challenges so stressful? Now that I have used my fingers to blend the concealer, I'm gonna use a brush to just blend everything. Next, I am gonna use a loose powder to set my face, and I will be using the trusty Laura Mercier loose powder. And this is the new Honey translucent powder. So what I'm gonna do is open this so that it's new. There we go. This is how much I got once. I will use their sponge and dip it into this fully. And you guys can see there is color over here. Making sure every edge of the sponge is filled with the powder and set to my under eyes. Next, let's move on to eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm gonna use the NYX Dip Shape Go Brow Pomade. It's a new product. I don't know why I'm being such a risk taker and using all the new products. So this is the brush side and this is the pomade. Dip it only once into this. One. And we got the product. So here we go. This is a lot of product. Oh my god. I don't know. We can work this out. I have to take a lot of product because I'm only allowed to dip once. It's always better to take more product than less. Okay, I think I'm good. Now I'm gonna use The brush side, it is a clean brush. It doesn't have anything. It's a spoolie. Just making sure everything is blended. Next step is a very important step for me. It is the brow gel. This is a clear brow gel. I want to make sure my brows stay in place and they look nice and fluffy. So I am using the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. Only allowed to dip once, which means I can just take it out and just use whatever is in here. I like to use a lot of brow gel. I dip in like multiple times, so I don't know. Let's do this. I will apply a little bit of product here and then apply a little bit of product here. Stress levels. It's fine. Breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, there is some product at the tip of the brush. Yeah, that made me happy. I think will look great. What do we say? I don't know how I did this. Now comes the not so fun part, because I don't know. I am gonna do my eyes now. So I'm gonna be using the new Naughty Nude palette by Huda Beauty. I don't know why I'm using new products. Like, this is not the good time to use new products and experiment, but I'm doing that. Look at this beautiful palette. Like, what? We're not gonna go crazy with the look. First, I will go in with this shade right here. This is the shade Rough, and I'm only allowed to dip this brush once. There we go. One. I'm taking in all the product I can, and look at how much I coated the brush. This side is literally empty. So what I'm gonna do is apply some here and some here. How is it? And start blending. What is this? What is this? Next, I will use the shade Naughty and dip my brush just once. Why am I only allowed to dip once? It's still here. And this is how much product I got. I don't know. So what I'm gonna do again is apply a little here and a little here, so that I can cover both the eyes, and I'm simultaneously gonna blend so that both the eyes get the same result. Okay, now I'm thinking of doing like a shimmery shade on my eyes. This shade looks really good. It goes with my shirt. This one. I'm just gonna do my finger as good as I can, because I'm only allowed to do it once. Oh, okay. I think I'm good. Oh, that looks stunning. Okay. Now, one. Wow. Honestly, what is this? Why does it look so good? Bro, Huda Beauty just kills it every single time. Like, what is this? Obsessed. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this work. I don't know who invents these challenges, because like, you guys, shaitan. What do you think? Now I have shimmer under my eyes, and I'm gonna use this sponge to help me. It actually worked. Thank you, sponge. Now I'm gonna do my lower lash line, and for that I will use my brush, which is a pencil brush. Here's my pencil brush, and I am allowed to dip only once, as you guys already know. I will go in with the darker shade first. This is the shade Naughty, and I think we got a good amount of product. Look at that. Why did I even tap off the excess when I'm not even allowed to go in again? It's fine. 1, 2. Now I will use the other shade, which is Rough, and dip my brush once. Okay, look at how I'm making sure I dip. 1, 2. think we're doing a great job, guys. What do you think? So here is my eye look. I think it's okay. I would want to do more, but it's fine. We can work with this. Now comes the fun part, which is mascara. So you open this. Here we go. What I'm gonna do is take it once here and once here. Let me apply it on the lower lashes before applying it on top lashes, because lower lashes are more important. Honestly, I'm happy with how the mascara is doing because mascara has a lot of product on it. So I can just either use the tip and then just keep brushing it out. I don't know how I'm gonna do false lashes because I am only allowed to use the lash glue once. These are the lashes that I'm gonna be using. These are by Velour. So here's the lash glue that I have, and it's getting dry. And this is the only product I'm allowed to use. What even? I'm so annoyed. So I will quickly, this is one coat on one eyelash and same brush. And I'm out of product. Okay, no, I think I can use this. There's literally nothing. It's so less. Bro, this is stressful. Okay, because I applied eyelash glue together on both the lashes, both of them are gonna dry at the same time. Why do I do this? Okay, I'm gonna place them both together. That's the only option I've got, girl. So what I'm gonna do is keep this one here. I'm just placing it right now. I'm just placing the lashes. Now I'm gonna use my tweezer to fix the position of the lashes. Bro. Girl, what is you doing? This lash didn't even stick properly. Hello? You know, I sing when I get stressed. I can't really do much now. It is what it is. Next is the contour, blush, highlight, all of that. I'm gonna take my contour brush and dip once into my contour palette. This is the shade I'm gonna take. This is the brush and it goes in once. One. Hello? This is nothing. I need more. I have to contour my forehead. I'm gonna make sure I use every single product that's remaining in this brush. Whatever is remaining, I will use it. How is it? Next comes the blush part, and for blush, I'm gonna be using the Orgasm X palette by NARS. Once again, the brush dips in once. And there we go. 1, 2. Where's the product? Where's the blush? It's so light. I don't know, guys. Can you see the blush? There's literally nothing. Why did I go in with the light shade? I should have gone with the dark shade. Now is the part which everyone loves, the highlight part. And the fact that I can't use a lot of highlight is killing me. I am just gonna dig in and slather my brush. Okay, I think we did it. I don't even know. You can never have too much highlight. So we do one. Wow. And this is the other side too. See, the other side didn't have much, but I guess we can make it work. But wow. Okay, I think we're good to go. I'm just gonna quickly clean my lips. I'm gonna use this lipstick right here. This is my MAC, and this is what I'm allowed to use. I think I have enough product. Honestly, the lipstick wand had so much product. The lipstick made me so happy. Last but not the least, we have the setting spray, and oh my god, you guys have no idea, but I love to like shower my face in setting spray. Like, I love setting spray, and the fact that I can only use one pump or one spray is so sad. 1, 2, 3. That was nothing. So this is my final face. Let me zoom in to show you what the makeup looks like. The fact that I only used one dip, one pump, one spray, one everything. So stressful, but I think it's acceptable. Let's have a look at the face. I honestly loved everything. Everything was pretty okay for me, except the lashes part. My lashes are still flying. Both of them didn't get stuck properly. That was annoying. And the second part that was annoying was the setting spray, because I love using a lot of setting spray, and the fact that I only use a little bit is so annoying. But the rest, I think we did a good job. Like, the makeup looks pretty decent. I'm happy with the result. It looks pretty good and it looks nice. So you guys, this brings us to the end of today's video, my little one dip makeup challenge. What do you think? How did I do? Can you rate me out of 10? Comment below, what do you think of this makeup look? How did I do? Did you like it? Could I do better? Let me know below. I think I did a decent job. It was quite challenging at some point, but then I managed and got a decent makeup look, except the lashes. They're still flying, but they're not uncomfortable, so we can make it work. I think the rest of the face looks flawless. Eye makeup looks gorgeous. Everything else looks amazing, especially the lipstick. Oh my god, this color, what a stunning shade. I hope you all liked today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.